Let's look at how GitHub Copilot for Azure can help us build a new AI application on Azure. GitHub Copilot for Azure is an extension for GitHub Copilot Chat that you can use in VS Code. I want to build a chat application that uses GPT-4o. First, GitHub Copilot for Azure can help me learn about the AI models that are available on Azure. Next, I'll ask Copilot to help me build a chat app on Azure. Copilot recommends a template from the template gallery. The new AI App Template Gallery is a great way to discover new resources for building AI applications. Each template includes application code and infrastructure as code files needed to deploy an app on Azure. You can find a range of templates across multiple programming languages and frameworks. GitHub Copilot for Azure gives me guidance on how to use and deploy the template to Azure quickly using the Azure Developer CLI with its developer-friendly commands, keeping me focused on the code. Now, even developers that are new to Azure can access the full power of Azure and give their app the best environment to run their app. GitHub Copilot for Azure understands the context of the code I'm working on and of my Azure environment and subscription. The Azure extension can answer questions about my Azure resources and help me troubleshoot issues. Here, we can see the resources that are created when I deploy this app in the Azure portal, including the Azure OpenAI resource and the container app where my app is deployed. In just a matter of minutes, I have provisioned the infrastructure and deployed application code using built-in Copilot intelligence and automation to simplify my path to Azure. And after the application has been running, I can also use GitHub Copilot for Azure to ask questions about my costs, to find ways to ensure my app is running optimally in production.